Hi guys, in this video, you will learn how to convert PDF to XLSX with PDF.co web API using JQuery. Let's start. First, prepare your HTML and JQuery code. Open the HTML file in your browser. Insert your API key in the text box. Browse and select the PDF file that you're going to convert. Then, press Convert button. Once the conversion is done, you will be given a temporary link where you can download the output XLSX. Let's open the output XLSX and see how it looks. Here's what the output looks like. That's all for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials on our YouTube channel. Just search for PDF.co. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.